Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful short stories. We draw life skills, life lessons, life values from them and become thought leaders. Let's begin. This is a story which goes from 1986 from New York, Manhattan. This building had 5 lifts and it had become pretty old. The buildings were close to about 35 floors. 35 floors are the number of buildings, 35 of them. 35 floors are there. And 5 lifts are there. The lifts over a period of time had become slow and people were complaining. Many companies which were living there, people who were staying on the top floor, the tenants started complaining. This is a true story. And the the owner of the building was thinking, what should I do? How should I fix this? So they were complaining, the lifts are so slow, we have to wait for a very long amount of time. It moves slowly. My colleagues, my team members, my workers, my family members waste so much of time going up and down. It's terribly slow. Sometimes even you must have experienced, if the lift is slow, you tend to get frustrated, you tend to get uh, you tend to feel bad about it, that, oh, it's just so frustrating. And that's what is happening. A lot of complaints started pouring in. People are vocal about it. People wrote mail to the owner and all that. And then what happened was one of the tenant decided to leave. And when asked, why did you leave? Then this person said, it was pretty good tenant. It was almost occupying a complete floor. Okay. And that person said, no, the lifts are terrible. We have told you so many number of times. We have found a new building. We are going there. Lifts are faster. And he realized, no, I must do something about it. So he called the engineers. He called everybody. He called the blueprint people and everybody. How to this thing. Then he put the total. After putting the total of 5 lifts to be repaired, he realized he did not have the money. It's so expensive. Remodeling, redesign. He took several quotations, several estimates from different people, and nothing was working. He was thinking, how do I solve this? I've already lost one tenant, and others are also threatening. What should I do? Hmm. He said, I will not solve the PROB. I will dissolve it. I will not solve the PROB. I will dissolve it. So what he did was he started working that this is a human mind issue. People don't like to wait. And accidentally did this until today it has been used. What he did was he got big size mirrors and he put it on the side of the lifts, front, back, and he put them inside the lift. And immediately the issues got sorted out. In a matter of few $1,000s, which he was supposed to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars to replace motors, belts, gears, or even change the lift, he just changed that. And the issue just not disappeared, dissolved, over. What happened that after he put the mirrors, what do you think changed? He just put the mirrors outside. He put the mirrors on the elevator door. He put it inside, everywhere he put mirrors. Huh? Why? It's a true story and it's still used. Many elevator companies put mirrors all over. Why? So this person, by the way, it's a true story and that brought in a lot of change. This person was somehow also reading a lot about human mind. And in front of the mirror, people can see themselves. They could see how they were reacting, how they was frustrated and all that. He realized the moment he put the moment he put the mirrors, the issue just did not solve it, dissolved. What happened was he realized that people were sitting, adjusting their dresses, adjusting their smile, their hair, everything they were doing, wherever they would look. And people are not concerned about what others think about themselves. We often keep checking what others are thinking about ourselves. So the moment they were able to see themselves in a mirror, they were more conscious. Their consciousness got heightened. And now, the issue was same, but the way they started to behave completely changed. Why? The reality, by mirrors, the reality, the perception of reality completely changed. They were now no more focused about the lift, slow speed, and delays and all the things. They were now completely focused on how they look. So he used this as a distraction technique, and till today, if you see, some elevators come with the mirrors. They're there, especially mirrors which are smaller. Have you noticed that? Sorry, especially lift which are smaller. If you enter a small lift, you will see there are more mirrors. If you just keep an aware, smaller. Because if the lift is small lift where there are just three people, there are some places where you will find lift which will be only having 3 people or 4 people or very, very tight it is. They'll put mirrors. Suddenly it looks the space is bigger. It is basically deceiving our time, deceiving our mind that yes, there is more space. And once our mind is deceived, whether it is look or time, both perception can be changed. So they do this. Wonderful. Amazing. Yes.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.